Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. We are going to be discussing the Aroon Indicator. I hope I pronounced it properly, but you can see it right here. The Aroon Indicator, right? So, this indicator is quite interesting. It can give you early signals so you don't get caught on the wrong side of the market. Now, whether you trade Forex, stocks, or crypto, this strategy will help you stay ahead of market movements and filter out false signals. Before we get started, smash that like button if you are serious about improving your trading skills and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on game-changing strategies like this. Now let us dive in. First of all, let us break down what the Aroon indicator is and why it is such a valuable tool for day traders. The Aroon indicator was developed by Tushar Chande and is designed to measure how long it has been since the last high or low in a given period. Okay, it consists of two lines, as you can see. Obviously, there are two lines. We have the Aroon up. You can see that the Aroon up is this orange color. Let me just increase the thickness. And we have the Aroon down, right? You can see. Now, the Aroon up measures the strength of an uptrend, while the Aroon down measures the strength of a downtrend. It's as easy as that. Aroon up measures the strength of an uptrend, Aroon down measures the strength of a downtrend. Okay. Now, you can see that the indicator ranges from 0 to 100, and the closer the lines are to 100, the stronger the trend. Okay. When Aroon up is above Aroon down, the market is in an uptrend. When Aroon down is above Aroon up, the market is in a downtrend. Simple, right? Now let's talk about how to set it up in TradingView. Okay. The first step is to add the Aroon indicator to your chart. Just open TradingView, select your trading instrument, whether it's Forex, stocks, or crypto. Click on indicators, of course, here, and then you select Aroon indicator from the list. Just search for it, right? Search for the Aroon indicator and add it to your chart. Then the indicator will appear at the bottom of your chart with two lines, the Aroon up and the Aroon down. By default, the indicator uses a 14 period setting, which works well for most day trading strategies. However, you can adjust it depending on your trading style. Shorter periods can be used for faster signals and scalping, while longer periods can be used, for stronger trend confirmation. Okay. Um, Now that we have set it up, let us talk about how to use it for trading. All right. Now let us go over the actual trading strategy using the Aroon indicator. So for a buy setup, all right, that is for a long trade. You'll be looking out for when the Aroon up crosses above the Aroon down. Okay, that signals a bullish trend. Then you confirm with price action. You look for higher highs and higher lows. All right, ensure that you get higher highs and higher lows. Okay, it's very important. Make sure that you're trading in the direction of the trend. Make sure that market structure aligns with the signals given to you by the indicator. Now you can enter a long trade once the price retests a key support level. All right, you can then place a stop loss below the most recent swing low, and then you can take a profit at the next resistance level. All right, or you can take your profit when the Aroon up starts turning down. So either ways. Then for a sell setup, for a sell setup, Ensure that the Aroon down crosses above the Aroon up. All right, that signals a bearish trend. And then confirm with price action. All right, it is very important. Confirm with price action. Look for lower highs and lower lows. Then you can enter a short trade once the price retests a key resistance level. All right, then place your stop loss above the recent swing high, and you can take your profit at the next support level or when the Aroon down starts turning down. Now, this strategy is perfect for catching trend reversals early and avoiding false breakouts. But before you start trading, here are some pro tips to maximize your success. Okay, first of all, it is good if you combine with other indicators. All right, use the Aroon indicator with moving averages, RSI or MACD to confirm trends, and then wait for a strong crossover. All right, avoid weak signals by ensuring Aroon up or Aroon down crosses above the 75% or at least 70 level, above the 70% level before entering a trade. Okay, and then make sure that you use multiple time frames. Okay, check the higher time frames to confirm the overall trend. Maybe you can check the 1 hour or the 4 hours just to confirm the overall trend. Then you can then go to lower time frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, to enter your trades. All right, now avoid trading in ranging markets. Okay, the Aroon indicator works best in trending markets, so avoid trading when both lines are below 50. When both lines are below 50, avoid trading in such conditions. Okay, when both the Aroon up and Aroon down are below the 50% level, avoid trading in those conditions. Now, by following these tips, you'll increase your win rate and avoid unnecessary losses. Okay, and that's how you use the Aroon indicator for day trading. This tool is one of the best indicators for spotting trend shifts early, and when combined with price action and other confirmations, it can help you make better trading decisions. So some key takeaways for you: the Aroon indicator measures trend strength and momentum. Aroon up and Aroon down, Aroon up being above Aroon down means bullish trend, while Aroon down being above Aroon up means bearish trend. Okay, use it with support and resistance, price action, and other indicators for confirmation. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used the Aroon indicator before? Drop a comment below and let me know how it has worked for you. And before you go, hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies and trading view tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.